Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mission Education with Priti Shejwal. As you have read the title of today's video, that is Venation in Leaves. Up to now, we have studied about parts of plant. In that, we discuss about the roots, stem, leaves. In leaves, we also discussed types of leaves and that is simple leaves and compound leaves. Okay? Check it in the description box. There you will get the link of these points. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the new notification of my upcoming videos. So let's learn about the venation in leaves. Now let us see what the word venation means. The meaning of venation: the arrangement of veins in a leaf blade is called the venation. Mainly there are two types of venation, that is reticulate venation and parallel venation. These are the two types of venation in leaves, okay? That is reticulate venation and parallel venation. Now we will differentiate this venation, that is reticulate and parallel, okay? So first we will see about reticulate venation. Veins are irregularly distributed without a definite pattern, and in parallel venation, veins are arranged in parallel rows to each other. In reticulate venation, the next point is veins forms a network in the leaf, but in parallel venation, veins do not form a network. Okay. The third point in reticulate venation is found mostly in dicot plants, and in parallel venation, third point, parallel venation is found primarily in monocot plants. Now look at the image. This is the image of peepal leaf, and the veins of this leaf are irregularly distributed without a definite pattern. Here the veins form a network. Okay, so this is called reticulate venation. Now look at this image. This image is of banana leaves. Look at the veins of banana leaf. Its veins are arranged in parallel rows to each other. It do not form a network. The vein runs parallel from midrib to the leaf margin. You can see the vein runs parallel from midrib to the leaf margin. This is the example of banana leaf. Okay. Now let us find out which of the leaves have a reticulate venation. First one is tulsi leaves. You can see the image of tulsi leaf. This is the image of tulsi leaf. The second one is rose leaf. Okay. This is the image of rose leaves. You can see the veins are irregularly distributed. Okay, and it forms a network in a leaf. So it is called as reticulate venation. Okay. The third is coriander leaves. Here also the veins are irregularly distributed without a definite pattern. Okay. These are the examples of leaves. We can easily identify these leaves have a reticulate venation. Okay. Now in the same way, we will identify which leaves have a parallel venation. Which of the leaves have parallel venation? This is the image of banana leaf. In banana leaf, the veins run parallel from midrib to the leaf margin. So this is the midrib and the veins run parallel from midrib to the leaf margin. Here you can see in this picture veins are running parallel from midrib to the leaf margin. Okay, now this is the image of bamboo leaves. The veins run parallel from the base to the tip of leaf. In bamboo leaves, the vein runs parallel from the base to the tip of leaf. Suppose this is the leaf, okay, and the veins runs parallel from the base. So this is the base, it runs like this, okay, from the base to the tip of leaf. The same thing we can observe in grass and also in wheat leaves. The veins run parallel from the base to the tip of leaf. Now let's see the next image. This is the image of maize leaf. Here in the maize leaf, the vein also run parallel from base to tip of leaf, same as we have seen in the bamboo leaves. The veins run parallel from base to tip of leaf. Okay, so this is about the parallel venation. Now once again we are going to differentiate the reticulate venation and parallel venation, because in your exam they will ask you differentiate between reticulate and parallel venation, or else they will ask you what is reticulate venation or parallel venation. So you can write this point, you will get the marks. Okay, so let's differentiate. Reticulate venation. First point, veins are irregularly distributed without a definite patterns. And in parallel venation, veins are arranged in parallel rows to each other. This is the first point of reticulate and parallel venation. The second point of reticulate venation, that is, veins form a network in the leaf, and in parallel venation, veins do not form a network. Okay. The third point in reticulate venation, that is, reticulate venation is found mostly in dicot plants, and in parallel venation, third point, parallel venation is found primarily in monocot plants. Example, people leaves, rose leaves, tulsi leaves, coriander leaves. This is the example of reticulate venation. And of parallel venation, examples, that is banana leaf, then bamboo leaves, then maize leaf, grass leaf, and wheat leaves. These leaves are the examples of parallel venation. Okay, so this was about the venation in leaves. I hope you have understood this part of venation in leaves. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon if you like this video. Please click on the like button